The doorbell, a simple yet essential household device, has undergone significant transformation since its inception. It was in 1831 when the Scottish inventor, Joseph Henry, introduced the first version using electromagnetic signals, which laid the groundwork for what would become an indispensable part of modern homes. Initially, the doorbell was just a mechanical contraption, but by the late 19th century, it evolved into a wired electric bell system with increased efficiency and range. The 20th century saw doorbells further innovated with wireless technology, making installation a breeze and eliminating unsightly wires. Today, with smart technology, doorbells come equipped with high-definition video cameras, motion sensors, and smartphone connectivity, providing homeowners with advanced security and convenience. The journey from a basic chime to a digital guardian highlights humanity's relentless pursuit of innovation and comfort.